how to link a YouTube account with Google Ads account in 2024. The settings for it will be shown in this video session. When you're logged into your YouTube channel, press on your profile icon, then select YouTube Studio. On the left hand side, press Settings. Let's select Channel. Let's select Advanced Settings. Here it says Google Ads account linking, so you can press on Link Account. Here we'd like to provide a name. If it's a personal YouTube channel, perhaps you want to put your personal name there. This is very important for advertisement on Google products. But if your YouTube channel is a business-based channel and it's registered and you're paying your taxes in your country, then perhaps you can provide your organization name there. This information will be used on YouTube videos that shows ads, because if someone clicks on that ad to find out who advertised it, this name will show up there, okay? And then finally, let's select Google Ads Customer ID. That's required as well. You can get that from your Google Ads account. As in, when you log into your Google Ads account, your customer ID will be unique to yours. Mine is blurred out for privacy reasons. And then let's scroll down, and here we can select what we want to link. Surely you want to leave things at default in most cases, okay? And then all you need to do is select Done. At that moment, because YouTube is owned by Google and because Google Ads is also owned by Google, both accounts will be linked. And to access the same option from Google Ads, the settings are on the admin, the new user interface. As we can see, press on admin, press on linked accounts, and then press on YouTube when you see the YouTube sign, and then press on the plus icon here. Then provide a name, as in your YouTube channel name, and then let's say I'd like to link this, and then simply follow the prompts. Okay, but the easiest way to link a YouTube channel is the previous step. I'm just showing you how you can link, unlink Google Ads and the settings for it. So in Google Ads account, the settings are here. On your YouTube Creator Studio, the settings are here under Advanced Settings. And that is how you link a YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.